Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be going over on how to create and set up your pop-up. So first you're going to go over here on this plus icon, click on it, select pop-up, and let's go ahead and add a pop-up. Over here you can choose which layout of a pop-up you want. I'm just going to pick the first one, and you also need to name it. I'm just going to name tutorial. Click on confirm and your pop-up is going to show on your screen. Over here you can edit what's your headline is going to say, what's your description over here is going to say. Here we have a email contact form. We already have a tutorial on that, so if you guys want to know how to configure this, you can check that tutorial. And to edit the layout of your pop-up, you can go over here where you don't want to select any of the text or any of the fields. You want to go to the background of the pop-up and click on appearance. You can edit it over here. You can select the colors, the background color, the pop-up title. You can edit it over here if you want to show or hide it, for example. You can edit the border if you want the border to be solid, if you want the border size to be bigger. You can also round your borders over here and choose a shadow. Once you guys set all this up and edited your template over here, you guys want to make sure that you set up when your pop-up is going to appear for your client. So we're going to go to over here, your layouts. You're going to choose the layout that you're in and your pop-up is going to appear. Go to the page, click on configuration over here and configure pop-up. Over here is where you can set up when your pop-up is going to pop up. So for example, let's just choose tutorial and we're going to enable it. So here you can select pop-up with time, exit intent pop-up, end of page pop-up. So for example, when someone's at the end of the page, the pop-up is going to show, or pop up when you're scrolling. For example, if I choose this, I can choose when and what percentage of the page the pop-up is going to show. I'm just going to choose 60 for now, and let's go ahead and click on confirm. Once you guys do that, your pop-up is basically set up. If you want to view your pop-up, because right now it's not showing, you can go over here to pop-up and select over here hide or show. So you can hide it or show it. And on this little icon you can also duplicate it, edit it, the name, or you can also delete it. This is how you configure and create your pop-up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.